Netflix how to add another device. So maybe you have got a Netflix account and you want to add another device, which means another people. Well, to add another device to your Netflix account, you can sign in to Netflix on that device. It's as simple as that. So you can also manage your Netflix household to add or remove devices from your account. But just remember that you just have to simply log in. So if you're trying to log in your account on another device and add that device, you just have to simply log in, and there's no any other trick. You can't scan a QR code and log in automatically. You have to enter the email and the password on that particular device to be able to add that device. And this way you should be able to add another device on Netflix. I hope this video answered your question. If you have any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in our next video.